Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to day 3 of reading. So your learning target today is I can understand the characteristics of nonfiction. I can adjust the reading rate as a strategy for comprehension, and I can apply word knowledge to the reading of a text. All right, so today we are going to be reading All on the Map. So go ahead and get out your Storytown textbook and turn to page 200. You're going to listen and follow along while I read pages 200 to 215. But first, let's go over nonfiction. So remember that nonfiction selection tells facts and gives information about people, places, or things that exist in real life. Also, the selection is about maps, and so we're going to explain some illustrations in our selection today that are photos of places, and others are maps of some places. So the chart is going to help us compare the photographs and maps. All right, so your comprehension strategy today is monitor comprehension and adjust reading rate. So it is important to understand what you read. So reading more slowly may help you understand the information in a non-fiction selection. All right. All right, let's start reading on page 200, but let's build some background, okay? This selection is about maps. All right, and you can tell maybe your neighbor or your friend or your family member about a time that you or your family member used a map to find a place. All right, and I want to remind you that nonfiction selections give information. All right, so All on the Map by Lucy Floyd and illustrated by Max Grover. Page 202. Here is a big town. Here is a map. All right, what page has the photograph? Page 202. And what does the photo show? A town. Good job. So what does the map show? It shows drawings of things in the town. All right, go ahead and point to a street in the photo, and now point to a street on the map. Which illustration shows a real street? Right, the photo on page 202 does. Which shows a drawing of a street? The map. All right, let's go on page 204. Here is the town hall. Find the hall on the map. So what is the name of this building? Town hall. So do you hear the all sound in hall? Ha, all. All right, good job. All right, how is the photograph of the town hall the same as a drawing of the town hall on the map? Right, they look alike and both have a flag in the front. All right, let's keep on reading, page 206. The town has lots of land. It has some hills. Can you find the hills? All right, so what kind of land does the town have? Right, hills. So what is your answer to the question on page 207? You can point to some hills on page 207. Great job. Let's keep reading. Look at how tall they are. They are on the map too. All right, so what kind of buildings are shown in the photographs? Tall buildings, all right? And do you hear the all sound in tall? All tall. All right, so what have you learned about maps so far? Maps show the location of different types of land, buildings, and streets. Maps use drawings to show where these things are located. All right, page 210. What is this called? It is on the map. Can you find it? All right, what place is shown in the photograph? Right, that's a fire station on page 210. How do you know? Well, a fire truck is parked near the building. All right, so what other kinds of places that people could go to if they need help would be shown on a town map? Hospitals and police stations.